afternoon. It's 4:37 on a Sunday afternoon. I'm unboxing the Simpson 4 GPM 4200 PSI power washer. Just give me a quick review for Amazon. First thing I did was remove this red threaded cap, and installed the black breather cap. There's a nice looking logo there. I like that. It's another logo, looks good. Screen in place. I already checked the filter once. Before I do that, looks like the obligatory dent on the product from unhappy workers. I'm sure no sign of a scratch of the paint. Seems about 100% of the products I get shipped a dent somewhere. Usually not that visible. Usually on the gas tank. So I haven't read the instructions yet. Everything is pretty self-explanatory. Familiar with the turn-on procedures. I like the fact that you get a full ration of AMS oil, small engine oil. Very nice. It's a heavy-duty pressure wand, kind of feeder tube for your cleaner concentrate chemicals. Very good plastic. Looks like it's pretty ergonomic. Simpson. Everything appears to be interchangeable and universal. Very impressed with the looks. I don't know if I should video this, but there's the numbers, and here's the hardware that comes with it. Here's the handle and the side handle. This is interesting. Comes with the visual of your turn-on procedures. Starting with 1, unscrew the cap, install this item here. Put the attach the wand. Shows you a little visual how to attach the wand. Another picture of the wand and its hardware. Very important. Turn on the water. Turn on these. Doesn't show here, but I would definitely want to make sure there's flow coming out the wand. Turn on the pump. This is a manually started pump. That's going to be challenging, but let's see what happens. All right, number 10. It looks like either a post choke or some kind of turn on procedure. I'll go over all this prior to starting again. You can see this 30-second time for the wand. 30 seconds. All right, well, I'm happy that I made this. And there's the placard there, a plastic one. Looks like some of these are also on that placard. The most important parts. Okay. Hey everybody, have a great day. Thank you. Bye.